Hey boys, welcome. Look here, Strongbow version 5.9. The spike signal just appeared. Now we placed a trade, crashed 300. Now let's wait for a spike. Super powerful system with advanced features and a lot of more things. This is gonna help you to milk the market hardly. Milk the market never before. Look here is the spike which is proof that the system is consistent and profitable. This is what we are doing using this system. If you guys are really interested in this system, chat with team. We are available to help you. A lot of features, a lot of more benefits, a lot of helpful thing included in the system. Come check the description. Chat with team. They will help you with this system. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends. Thank you.